Repro Automat ElarScan A2-600RA. This is a kind of flagship for our ElarScan A2 series because it's most robotic, most automated scanner. The main specialty of R and RA scanners, we have two glasses in that. So if a customer needs to scan, to flatten the books in V shape, so better to recommend R or RA scanners, because we have two glasses here, of both for V shape and for flat, and operator can change the glass just in 1 minute, unscrewing 3 screws. And of course you can unscrew the glass and work without the glasses at all. This is automated cradle. This is V-shape and flat in one cradle and very flexible, and it's automated. Additionally, in this model, in Repro Automat RA, we have the automation of the glass, motorized flip up and down, and also we are controlling the cradle. This is more flexible control in comparing with KS scanner, because here we can control the wings, the side of the cradle independently. So this is independent control of the wings. So we can use semi-automatic or fully automatic mode. Yeah, this is, we call it manual adjustment, because if we need to control the pressure by the hand, we are using the buttons for delicate pressing the original with that, and we can manually control the position of wings of the cradle in order to adjust this first. Yeah, this is very precise. You know, this is less, you can achieve by the hand less than 1/2 millimeter in the height. Our archivists are very easy to control the very rare books with the flattening of this, because your operator really feeling the how it goes and how it moves and how it presses. But this is a manual approach. This is for delicate book, but for normal book in Repro Automat, this is automat, and so we can use the very automatic approach. It's not possible to do this in KS model. This is only for RA model. Just take a look specially. We are putting the book is in very wrong position. The cradle is the wrong position and the book in the wrong position. We are just placed this. And now we are starting automatic calibration of this. Yes, operator doing nothing. Now scanner is self-calibrating, and now it's ready to scan. You see that, of course, it's easier for operator to automate this, and most important, that the qualification of the operator must be lower, and so it's for scanning the normal book. Once again, the scanner doing self-calibration for this book by itself. After this calibration done, we are just start the automatic scanning. We activate the automatic scanning, and now we will scan. After automatic self-calibration, we will start automatic scanning. Now operator just turning the page. Yeah, really we can do it faster than this. The pause between operation can be 1 second, but it's the operator must be very fast with that. Yeah. Okay, so it's really we have the mode with starting the scan operation right after finishing to turn a page. So this is possible to adjust. It's not very practical, but it's possible to use that. And so this is highly automated thing. Okay, so we have the completely automated scanning with that. So scanner doing everything except of turning the page. Okay, so this is automatic scanning with RA. Returning to R model, you know that we have the same model, looks very similar, but without motors, which controls up and down, and without automatic cradle. So the cradle is manual and lift up and down by the hand. And the visual difference between those models, only in our model, we have handles and the glasses in order to control this. What is very interesting that really manual models are less expensive, they're cheaper, and service bureau professional customers select really manual models because for professional operators, they are working faster than the robotic model, because you know robotic model for safety it's a little bit slower. Professional operator doing up and down and scanning faster than the robot, but of course they need more efforts.